What is a subordinating conjunction? A subordinating conjunction is a type of conjunctions that connects a subordinate clause, a sentence or part of a sentence which adds extra information to a main clause through an independent clause, a sentence or part of a sentence to which a subordinate clause adds extra information. According to the definition of subordinating conjunction above, the following facts about subordinating conjunctions should be clear to you. A subordinating conjunction is a word or a phrase, a combination of two or more words. A subordinating conjunction introduces a subordinate clause. A subordinating conjunction links a subordinate clause to an independent clause. Have a look at the below given image in order to understand what a subordinating conjunction, a subordinate clause, and an independent clause are. I felt before I thought. I felt is an independent clause. Before is a subordinating conjunction. I thought is a subordinate clause.